All right, guys. So in this module, we're going to talk about search engine. All right. So we're going to dive deeper into the search engine aspect a little later, but just an overview. What is it? How does it work? What does it mean? Right. So if you look at the chart flow, right, this is pretty much a way for you to understand how it works, right? So starting from the right side, right? And it's a huge circle, but right where it says your website, because it all starts from there, right? So, what happens? Spiders evaluate and learn about your web page by analyzing metadata and keywords, right? So this is the first thing that happens. All right. First off, search engines use algorithms to make sense of what you are searching for and pulls out relevant results from context, right? Or index. Sorry, that's exactly what's going on here. So as soon as your website is created, well, let me stop saying website because, of course, it is the foundation of your website, but it doesn't rank websites, it ranks pages. All right. It ranks pages on your website. All right. You can have a website where the home page, which is the main domain of your site, it may not rank that high, but you may have a page on there. You may have a blog on that website that ranks number one. All right. That doesn't mean your entire website will rank number one. A page does. So, but it all starts with the website. So they have, Google sends spiders or search engines send spiders to crawl your website. They crawl all the pages, right? What happens next? Well, next, the spiders crawl from page to page and builds a list of word content. All right. So they're crawling, they're looking at all the pages, and they're seeing, okay, well, this page has this keyword, this keyword, okay, this keyword. They're taking count, right? They're taking notes of everything. And if you look at the image below, it gives you a list of the pages, right? It's giving you an example, right? It's crawling all the pages, home page, about page, product service page, contact page, etc. Next, spiders combine findings from each page and builds an index in large databases. All right, so they took all the notes and now they're going back, they're running. What's next? Spiders report back to search engines with results. All right, so they're taking that big old index and they go back to the search engine. Hey, boss, this is what we have. All right, we checked out A website and B website. We looked at all their pages. This is what we got. All right, then the search engine turns around and says what? Search engine follows links to look around the internet, look using automated programs with search bots known as web crawlers or spiders. Right? So that's pretty much what happens. Right? So this is the big circle that happens. So this is another never ending cycle because just because they crawled your website once doesn't mean they won't do it again. That's why websites lose ranking. All right. If you make certain changes on your website, certain things to impact the SEO dramatically. So that's why it's very, very key. All right. To, not make significant changes. Right. Like what? Well, if you want to redesign your website or you moving from one hosting to another, that can disrupt your SEO. All right. If you want to, remove keywords from your website and you want to rebrand it, that can of course mess up your SEO. All right. Now you can always add to it. It's better to add than subtract, right? So what are some common things that are added? So, okay, blogs. Blogs are another never-ending cycle of information that's being added. New pages with new information. All right. So that's something that happens all the time. That's actually one of the tools to kind of help a website rank, all right, or a page rank, right? What are some other things that happens? Well, if you have a new product or a new service that you're adding to the business, you're doing promotion, you just want to make sure that it aligns with your brand and make sure that you're using relevant keywords to help that page rank. All right. But guys, this is pretty much an overview of what the search engine, what it is, how it works, etc. All right. See you on the next one.